Tesla shares keep falling, and what's worse, there is no reaction, suggesting a bottom signal today, even though the price is in an oversold zone. And to make matters even worse, all of this is happening while the market is close to its all-time high. So imagine if the overall market corrects as well. Where will Tesla end up? This is what we are gonna see in this video. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, and allow me to share my humble opinion about this crazy market, because right now we see Tesla crashing 13% after earnings, making a monster gap, losing its most important mid-term support levels. We lost the 206, which did act as a support level for us right here, but today we are losing this key point, and we are also losing the $194, which was the previous top level over here from October 2023. So we are losing two key support levels, mid-term speaking, suggesting a long-term bearish continuation chart pattern. However, Tesla is getting close to important key points, to more, because there are more important support levels if we look at the weekly chart. And I just told you guys that Tesla is in an oversold zone. Allow me to explain why. Because first, since the previous top over here, December 28, we dropped it 32%, okay? 32% without any single pullback, without taking a single break over here, without retesting the 21 MA on the daily chart. We are just crashing, losing its support levels. So, okay, we are crashing without a rest. This doesn't mean anything alone, but if we take a look at its RSI, for instance, the RSI is at a very, very low level, 16%. So the RSI is around 16%. The last time we saw such low RSI was in December 2022. All right, so when Tesla was around 2022, December 2022, we were very close to the $100. The momentum was very bearish over here. We saw Tesla crashing from the previous top level, roughly 46%. So it was an even sharper drop over here. And the RSI was around a very low level. So therefore, since we crashed it without any single pullback, since the RSI is at such low level, and since we are trading outside of the Bollinger Bands over here, and since we lost all of its mid-term support levels in one single bearish leg, I do believe that Tesla is oversold. Now, you may say, oh, so Nathan, is Tesla a buy right now? No, this is not what I'm saying. I'm saying that it is oversold. I'm not saying it is a buy. There is a difference, because Tesla may be in an oversold territory, and just like in 2022 over here, this may not mean anything, because we were oversold, all right? We bounced a little bit, we dropped a little bit more, and only then Tesla made a very nice recovery. Only then Tesla went up more than 100% in one single bullish leg. So as long as we don't see a crystal clear bottom signal, Tesla will remain bearish. Do we see any bottom signal right now? No, there is not a single bottom signal on Tesla stock. However, if Tesla, hang on. Let's take a look at the weekly chart before I continue my thoughts over here, because on the weekly chart, we are very close to another support level that may or may not act as another support level, which is the lower line. It is the bottom line of this descending channel. We saw a false breakout of this descending channel as evidenced by this red circle. It was a false breakout, all right? I was genuinely expecting that Tesla would retest the $300 over here. The broad market was very bullish. We saw SPY going up sharply, QQQ going up sharply, tech stocks were performing insanely well, and among all of the Magnificent Seven over here, only Tesla is crashing like this, all right? However, apparently it is a sector-related crisis. We see Lucid, we see Rivian, we see even the Chinese ones, NIO, Xpeng, etc. They are all crashing over here. So sector-wise, the electric vehicle sector is in very deep problems over here, and we see Tesla crashing following this bad mood. However, we are approaching a very important support level. Of course, it is not a guarantee that this support level is gonna work, okay? Nothing here is guaranteed, all right? Why? Why do we use technical analysis? Because it is a very good tool for us to use to develop our own strategies, to assess the right risk management so we can trade with the right position size, so we can know the risks, so we can know the possible targets, so we can understand when a stock is oversold, overbought, when it is a good time to enter. We can calculate the risk reward ratio, etc. This is why we use this. No tool can guarantee anything to you. Technical analysis, fundamental analysis, tape reading, I don't know, I don't care the other tools about the other tools. All that I know is that nothing here in this market is guaranteed. So we gotta play with strategy. We gotta play with risk management. And this is why we use technical analysis. And now if you say, oh, okay, Nathan, so Tesla is clearly oversold, given all the signals, given all the key points that you shared in this video, okay, I do understand. Tesla is oversold. But Tesla is not triggering any crystal clear buy signal. There is not a single bottom signal right now. No, there isn't. But since we drop it so hard and we are crashing like this and we are in an oversold territory, I do believe that if Tesla actually triggers a bottom signal, we could bounce very nicely and we can take advantage. We can take advantage of such movement because guys, when something drops thanks to panic, it also goes up thanks to euphoria and vice versa. And if we see a bottom signal on Tesla, I do believe we can easily recover to retest the 21 EMA on the daily chart again. Maybe this does not sound too much to you, right? For you, but going up to the 21 EMA represents a roughly 20% upside potential. So Tesla has a lot of upside potential if it reacts. And remember, I'm talking about mid-term speaking. In order for Tesla to recover the long-term bullish sentiment over here, guys, there is no other way. We gotta break this descending channel upwards, all right? And we are quite far away from this resistance level over here. It is not gonna be easy, okay? We have a long way to go, but this is the only way, this is the only possible reaction that Tesla would have to do to convince me that it is turning bullish again, long-term speaking. Because right now, to me, we are just going to retest the lower line of this descending channel. We don't see any meaningful bullish reaction. We don't see any meaningful bullish reaction short, mid, and long-term speaking. Now, mid-term speaking, I do believe that we are going to see a very good opportunity very soon on Tesla stock. But again, we gotta wait for the price to confirm a bottom signal. What is even more problematic for Tesla is that we are on the verge of seeing Tesla triggering a death cross pattern over here. The 50-period moving average is about to break the 200-period moving average over here. The blue line is about to cross the red line downwards. If this scenario actually materializes, then okay, it is going to be officially a bear market for Tesla, as crazy as this sounds, because the broad market is clearly in a very good mood. We see SPY going up sharply. We saw a golden cross over here on February last year. We have been in a very nice bear market since then. QQQ is also extremely bearish. We saw a golden cross on May last year, and we have been going up very, very nicely. Unlike Tesla, which is trading below the lower band, QQQ is trading above the higher band over here. So this is crazy, right? I think I never saw such divergence between Tesla and the broad market. Tesla is clearly detached, and we see other stocks as well. Apple going up nicely over here. It is a crystal clear bull trend. We see Microsoft going up nicely. Crystal clear bull trend. It is surfing a very nice rally over here. We are near the upper band. Nvidia, the best stock ever over here, making all-time highs. We are clearly insanely bullish. However, Tesla failed miserably in following the broad market, and this may create another opportunity for us. For instance, if you are a long-term investor, this may be a very nice chance for you to add some positions if we see a bottom signal, of course, long-term speaking, and if we see the confirmation of a bullish reversal by breaking this upper trend line of this descending channel, that's gonna be even better. But right now, I'm so sorry, but right now there is absolutely nothing. But by the way, if you're still watching this video and you are not a subscriber, consider subscribing, because I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on this. We're gonna talk about Tesla, Nvidia, SPY, QQQ, etc. Many analyses here in this channel, so consider subscribing to keep in touch with my daily analysis. And if you do want to trade with me, join our Telegram channel. The QR code is right here on the left corner of your screen. We have been nailing many incredible movements recently, many movements. So come on, just join our Telegram channel. The QR code is right here. The link is in the fixed comment below. I highly appreciate your support and your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye bye.